In Malayalam we call it as thoran, and in our language we call it as Ajothina. That is Bende Ajothina. That is Vendekya thoran. Lady's finger dry curry. See, in this particular case, you have to cut this lady's finger like this into thin pieces, fine pieces. Now, the rest of the ingredients, what we need for it is, first of all, you have to season. Little coconut oil and mustard is added. Then the rest, little jaggery, little salt, little asafoetida, little turmeric powder, little curry leaves, and 3 to 4 green chillies, and finally for seasoning, little coconut scrape and 1 lime-sized tamarind. Now I have just taken the syrup. These are all the items which we need for preparing lady's finger dry curry. Now my pan is preheated, and first of all we have to season this mustard along with oil. Now once the mustard starts breaking, we'll add this green chilli towards it. Now we'll add this curry leaves, tamarind syrup, turmeric powder. Now we'll add this asafoetida towards it, lady's finger, that is bindi, towards it. Shift it into a bowl and finally garnish it with little coconut scrape. We'll garnish it with little coconut scrape. Hope everybody enjoyed this video. So nice to be with you. Have a good day. Enjoy. Thank you.